This warning has been issued by Blizzardia Weather Research. A blizzard warning has been issued for the entire state of Blizzardia. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. The Blizzardia Weather Research has detected an unusually big blizzard coming towards the state. The blizzard is expected to affect the entire state for approximately 4 hours and is expected to arrive in 1 hour. The blizzard will first hit the Metal County. The reason why we think this is unusual is because our radar only detected it 20 minutes before we issued this broadcast. We will be looking into this with the special anomalies of Blizzardia. Don't worry. There is nothing to panic about. Here is a following list of instructions for everyone to follow after this broadcast is finished. First, lock your doors and windows. Make sure to seal them tight. Second, do not panic if your power goes out. Third, stay inside until all clear has been given. Fourth, do not leave your shelter under any circumstances during the blizzard. Fifth, if you are hearing this and you're not in a shelter, find one as fast as you can. These instructions will repeat 5 minutes before the blizzard arrives. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.
What are you doing here, all alone? Yes, I think I did see her. I can take you to her. Follow me.
This warning has been issued by Blizzardia Weather Research. Please listen to this following message as it might save yours but also someone's life. The blizzard has passed the entire state. There are some minor damages to power lines, while some roads and highways are blocked with snow. You may leave your shelters after this broadcast is finished. However, we do warn drivers to be careful when driving as there's a chance that you might spin out. There has also been an alarming number of people that disappeared during the blizzard. As of now, there are 50 people that went missing during the blizzard, though the number could be higher. The Blizzardia State Police Department is working with local law enforcement to locate these missing individuals. We were also alerted about strange ice zombies lurking around the state. These were apparently first seen in the Metal County, with multiple video encounters that had appeared online. We cannot confirm if these videos are fabricated, however, even if they are real, this is not within our jurisdiction of power. If you have any evidence or you have seen one, call the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia as they'll be handling this incident. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. We have issued a civil danger warning to the entire state of Blizzardia until further notice. Please listen to this message carefully, as it might save your life. We have investigated these strange videos of ice creatures and they are real. We are unsure as to how they were created. There also appears to be two types of ice entities. The first type seems to be in the early stages of ice crystal formations, while the second type seems to be in the late stages of crystal formations and strange veins all over it, with some even outside its body. Though we cannot confirm if this can transmit to humans, or if possibly these are the missing people, as we couldn't test any of them yet. This is why we highly recommend to always lock your doors and windows. Always check for any suspicious activities, though we do have information on how to defend yourself from these entities. The best way to do so is with a melee weapon. These ice creatures are also increasing in large numbers. The Blizzardia State Police Department has also gotten more missing person reports. There are now 95 people that were reported missing since the end of the blizzard. This is all for now. Stay aware of your surroundings. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. We have issued a shelter in place for the entire state of Blizzardia until further notice. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. Find a safe shelter now. I repeat, find a safe shelter. The snow has gotten worse to the point where most of the time you can't use a land vehicle. We have also discovered a new frost-like entity. We have accidentally discovered it while trying to capture one of the ice entities. Here is its description: tentacle-like legs, ability to hover, long arms, ice crystal-like veins, large eyes, mouth able to stretch in unnatural ways, and the body seems to be made out of snow and ice, though it's extremely flexible. These entities seem to hunt anything that's alive. For this reason we have called them the Frost Hunters. Frost Hunters also whisper random words to their victims before they strike. These entities are also a bit taller than a regular human. If you are hearing this message and you're not inside of a shelter, find one as fast as you can. The Frost Hunters attack at night as we haven't seen them during the daylight hours. If you hear whispers but you're inside your shelter, hide. This is all for now. We wish you a happy new year. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is an update to a civil danger warning issued on December 29, 2025. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. The ice entities are becoming smart and are adapting fast. If you are hearing this message and you only locked your doors and windows, be warned it doesn't work anymore. They are able to unlock, or even break through windows and doors. Some have even broke through barricades. The same goes for the Frost Hunters. They are now able to go through any cracks thanks to their flexible body. We have even got reports that they have managed to go through pipes. Hiding from them no longer works too. The best chance at survival that you have is to strengthen up your barricades or scare them off with heat. The best way to do it is by splashing them with boiling water. Please be careful while doing this method. If you manage to scare them off from your shelter or home, call your local law enforcement and wait for their arrival. We have also heard some rumors spreading around about how the blizzard wasn't real. Please wait until we and the Blizzardia Weather Research finish our investigation and do not cause panic. This is all for now. Always stay vigilant. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is an update to a civil danger warning issued on January 4, 2026. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have some updates regarding the investigation of the blizzard.
We were wrong. This might not have been a real blizzard.
We still cannot explain it in details as we need more time to investigate this. However, we went to the coordinates where the blizzard originated and found a portal to a different dimension. We understand that this may sound absurd. However, this could explain all these strange ice entities appearing out of nowhere. Our researchers went in to do a quick investigation and found an ice dimension. We theorized that when the portal opened it sent some type of shockwave in the form of a blizzard. We are unsure as to what this ice dimension could hide as our researchers didn't stay there for too long. We have evacuated everyone within the 5-mile radius from the portal and sealed off the entire area. We have also got reports of a strange tall ice entity roaming around a Blizzardia state. This entity seems to target random individuals and taking them somewhere. Please, if you see this entity, call your local law enforcement. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is a shelter-in-place reminder for the entire state of Blizzardia. Please make sure that you are properly barricaded. If you want to ensure your safety, we recommend to use an upper floor if you are able to unbarricade the stairs with anything to slow them down if they get in so that you would have enough time to call for help. We would also like to warn that emergency services are currently overwhelmed due to heavy snow. We also have some updates regarding the portal to the now called Frost Dimension. We have found 3 exact same portals in random areas of the state. Everyone within 5 miles of the portals were evacuated. We have left cameras and our researchers near them and saw 2 new types of entities coming out of them. That being frost vines and living crystals. A frost vine has a similar appearance to a frost hunter, however, it seems to not have any legs and his veins are coming out of the body. A living crystal seems to be an actual living ice crystal, with blue veins all over it and a pair of humanoid legs. We are unsure as to what purpose they have. Please, if you spot these creatures, call SAOB as soon as you can. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and always stay vigilant. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is an update to a civil danger warning issued on the 6th of January 2026. Emergency services are still struggling due to massive amounts of snow. The Blizzardia Weather Research is currently trying to find out what's causing this endless snowing. We also have some updates regarding the frost dimension. We have somehow missed one entity. Only after checking the footage on one of the cameras we have found an entity that we have named the Ice of Insanity. The researcher that was the nearest to the portal reported seeing other entities, unnatural shapes, reality-breaking things that the camera couldn't find. The entity has a regular humanoid torso with legs. However, it appears to have ice crystals instead of hands and a triangular-shaped head with an unrealistically large static smile. Please, as soon as you see one of these entities, call your local law enforcement, as we had already informed them about this entity. The entity seems to cause hallucinations to its victims to make them go insane so that other entities can either infect them or take them away. If you start seeing things that are not real, hide, close your eyes and call for help before it's too late for you. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. An immediate evacuation notice has been issued for the entire state of Blizzardia. Please listen to this following message, as it might save your life. The Blizzardia Weather Research has confirmed that the endless snowstorms are coming from the portals. Please evacuate to a nearest evacuation center as soon as this broadcast ends. Only take the most important items with you, such as water, food, documents, medication, and ideally a mobile phone. If you are unable to evacuate, then stay in your shelters. Around 2 hours ago, a group of entities that were similar to knights had come out of the original portal. We have decided to intercept them with a local law enforcement. The leader of the knights was called the Blizzard Guardian. The Blizzard Guardian explained that they come in peace and want to help us. According to him, an entity by the name Frost Conqueror wants to invade our world and has already begun creating an army of Frost entities to eliminate us. We have decided to send drones for any evidence. He was correct. Drones found a massive army of Frost and Ice entities. The military has already begun creating a defense plan. This is all for now. Remember, stay vigilant. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is a civil danger warning issued for the entire state of Blizzardia until further notice. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. They have arrived. An entire army of frost and ice entities started coming out of all 4 portals. We will no longer continue with evacuations due to how dangerous it is. If you have not evacuated yet, then stay inside until all clear has been given. We recommend staying in an underground shelter. You may use any way to defend yourselves if anyone or anything breaks into your shelter. Please do not participate in this battle. The military is struggling despite the help of the Frost Knights with a Blizzard Guardian, and they are pushing us back more and more. We also have some updates regarding an entity that was seen taking away random individuals from their homes. According to the Blizzard Guardian, his name is Frost Prince. The Frost Prince takes random individuals for experiments. This could explain as to why some of the recent entities have some humanoid-looking parts. However, we have not found any connections between these new entities and the missing individuals. This is all for now. Please always stay vigilant. Stay safe. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is a civil danger warning issued for the entire state of Blizzardia until further notice. He has arrived. Our cameras have detected Frost Emperor coming out of the original portal with a Frost Prince and their army. They are currently heading towards heavily populated areas. The military, our containment team, and law enforcement are on their way to intercept them. We advise citizens again to not participate, as you are likely going to
Die.
get infected or taken away by the Frost Hunters. After this broadcast is finished, please check again if your doors and windows are locked and barricaded. We will now repeat all possible ways to defend yourself if a frost or an ice entity gets inside your shelter. The easiest one is to hide and to not make a sound. They usually leave after they can't find anybody. If you are unable to hide, then hit them with a strong sharp object. But the best way is to splash them with boiling water. If you for some reason can't do any of these things, then you can scare them off with anything that generates heat. However, that might work for a short time if the heat is too weak. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and stay alive. This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. An administrative message has been issued for the entire state of Blizzardia. All restrictions have been lifted. We won. It is safe outside again. The Blizzardia Weather Research had found no further large snowstorms or blizzards coming since the portals have closed. During the battle, the Blizzard Guardian had summoned a portal and transported both the Frost Emperor and the Frost Prince, with himself possibly, to the Frost Dimension. We are unable to find this out as of this moment, because as soon as they had disappeared into the portal, the other 4 portals started to close. 3 hours later, all 4 of them were closed. There are only ice crystals left. Everyone who were evacuated are now allowed to return and are also given a chance to be transported back for free. But no one is allowed to approach the remains of the portals. Be careful, however, some entities didn't make it back to the portals and are now wandering around while others melted. If you see one of these entities, then do not approach them and call the SAOV. Emergency services are now also in full operation. We would now like to say thank you to every brave soul who helped us or someone in need. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.